KK Java tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to install Jenkins on Windows 10 machine. So in order to install Jenkins on Windows 10, first of all, you have to go to the Google, and here you need to type Jenkins, right? And press enter. So you'll get the very first website, which is called jenkins.io. Just click on this website, and here is the Jenkins website, and there you'll get the download link. So after that, we have to click on this download. Once you click over here, then here you can see there are two types of downloads are available. First is the stable version, and second is the regular releases, which basically happens on the weekly release. So we will go for the basically LTS version, and that is a stable version. So if you scroll down in this column, LTS column, then here you can see you have Jenkins is available to download for different operating system. Yeah, so here I'm going to download Jenkins for this Windows, and once you basically download, then that will allow you to download the zipped folder. After that, we have to unzip, and there we will get the Windows installer, and we need to install. Once you install Jenkins on your Windows machine, that will work as a Windows service. So once you start start your machine, right, once you up your machine, then that service basically gets running automatically, right? So these things you will have to keep in mind. If you don't want that one, then you need to download the WAR files, and that will not work as a basically Windows service. So here just click on the Windows, and here once you click on the Windows, then Windows Jenkins installer will be started downloading. So here I'm going to cancel it because already I have downloaded, right? So latest version of Jenkins is 2.235.1 is available, right? So that already I have downloaded, and after basically unzipping, you will get this kind of installer. So just you need to click on this, just click on this Jenkins Windows installer, then you will get this kind of basically window. Now I'm going to click on the install anyway. Yeah, so here you can see we have a wizard for basically welcome to Jenkins, right? That's the setup wizard. So here you don't need to anything, you don't need to do anything, just you need to click on the next, and this is showing the where my Jenkins is going to install. So this is the default directory. If you want, you can change, but I'll keep with the I'll keep this default directory as it is, and just click on the next. Now again click on the install, and just allow Jenkins to install on your machine. Click on the yes. So installation has started. You can see installation is in progress. Now here is saying that completed the Jenkins, right? And you can see the version 2.235.1, right? And click on the finish, right? So once this download is installation is completed, then you can open Jenkins on any your favorite browser. So here by default Google Chrome is selected, so I would like to open in the Google Chrome itself. That is already selected, so click on the OK. Then here you can see when once you complete the installation first time, then you need to open Jenkins on this port localhost colon 8080. So if automatically this port doesn't get open, so let me wait sometime. So this kind of window you'll get. If this basically location does not get open automatically, then in the browser address bar you have to type http ://localhost colon 8080 and press enter. Then you'll get the same window. Yeah. So as first time we are trying to log in into our Jenkins on Windows after the installation. So here you can see the one kind of instruction saying that the here I need to enter the administrator password, and this administrator password is available in this file, right? So I'm going to open this location. There I'll get this file initial admin password, right? So let me open this location. So I raised this location, and here is the file initial admin password. So just open this file. So I'm going to open in the Notepad++, and this is the password which just we have to copy and go to here and paste this password over here and click on the continue. Now once you click on the continue, then here we will get the two options: install suggested plugins, and second is the select plugins to install. So as you know, Jenkins is basically one of the tools which supports in the CI/CD process, and Jenkins capability you can enhance by installing different kind of plugins, right? So here I'll go for this install suggested plugins and just click on this. So once you click on this option, then suggested plugins will started installing, right? So just you need to just keep patience for this screen. So Jenkins is going to install suggested plugins. So this process will take some time, yeah. So here you can see suggested plugins are in the installation process. So there is possibility some of the plugins are failed to install. You may get some error, so you don't need to worry about those things, right? Yeah. So here you need to keep one thing in your mind. Suggested plugins installation process will take some time. So you have to stay until and unless this process does not get completed. And once this process get completed, then automatically we will move on the next screen. Yeah. So suggested plugin installation is completed. Now we have navigated on the next screen. There you can see create first admin user. So here first of all we need to provide the username. Username you can provide anything. Here I'm going to provide username as admin. Then you need to specify the password, and same password you need to type again. And you need to specify your full name. Here just I'm going to specify admin once again, and then of course you need to type your email address. So email address just I'm going to specify, and after entering all the data you need to click on the save and continue. Yeah. So saying that password did not match, I think by mistake I have typed the wrong password. So both passwords should match. Just keep in mind these things. Yeah. Once again I'm going to click on the save and continue, and at this time password is accepted, and here Jenkins URL is going to specify as a localhost colon 8080. So here if you want you can change this port number, right? So that's why this is given as editable, right? If you do not change at this time, then later point for time if you want to change this port, that is also possible, right? So that already that video I have posted, else I will show you how to change this port number after installation, yeah, in a separate video. Now I'm going to click on the save and finish. Now saying that Jenkins is ready now, so click on the start using Jenkins. So once you click over here, then this is the basically Jenkins dashboard, right? So now once installation is completed, then you can see this kind of dashboard. Some of the few things I am going to show you. Once you install your Jenkins and you go to C drive program files, then here you'll get the kind of a folder is called Jenkins, right? So all the files and folders are available over here, right? So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. In this video tutorial you learned how to install latest Jenkins on Windows 10 machine. One thing I would like to tell you before ending this video, as we have installed a latest Jenkins on Windows machine, so this requires, there are some prerequisites are there. So of course those prerequisites you can see on the Jenkins website, right? So there are some prerequisites for hardware as well as software. So if you want to install a latest Jenkins on your Windows machine, what I have installed right now, you require at least Java 8 on your machine. So I am assuming you have already Java 8, minimum Java 8 version installed on your machine, right? Then after you proceed to install Jenkins on Windows. So that's all I have in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.